Okay, there you
But
go. You're
okay.
here now. Also, I was on the whatever two-factor uh uh optimization thing, and
Yeah.
managed to spawn 8 sets of salmon storms without dropping below 60 FPS.
Cool. I don't know how I was gone for like 3 minutes and you still haven't joined the stream together, but it's
Oh, I
kind of
forgot that's a
impressive in
thing.
its own right.
Yeah, no, that is impressive. And pretty impressive, twin.
Those are sure.
So we're just playing Hightail on stream, right?
Yeah, that's what we're doing today
Okay,
instead of being productive.
let's go. No playtest update today.
Ouch. Okay, I think I'm good to go live.
Oh, I've been
Actually,
live
make
this whole
sure.
time, twin.
Yeah, that's great, dude. I have to do like the entire setup for the entire stream because you don't do like the stream together. You've been live this entire time. He wants to brag about this. Where's your fucking screen share?
Hello,
Where's your screen share?
Calipo. Got to sleep
Where's your
goodnight.
screen share,
Wow,
man?
bro joined just to say goodbye. Here it is, twin.
Oh my god, my ears just got assaulted with whatever the fuck that was. Are you listening? What are you listening to right now? What is that song?
This is The Rainy Mountain.
On what?
On what? On Spotify?
Like, no, but is it like part of an OST?
It's an album.
Or is it? It's just a song that sounds like that. It's not like a video game song or anything.
I mean, let me look.
Honestly, dude, at this point, it would be easier for me to go to your channel and check off of your stream.
Let me see. It's where do I get to this? How do I find what album it's part of?
Oh my lord! Click on the name on Spotify, and it'll open up the thing.
It's not working. Oh, on the here we go.
All right, I'm live. Hello.
Okay. Anyway, so what do we?
Everyone gets to hear this.
Let me see what we want.
So I wanted to show off something to people.
Yes.
Real quick, which was the optimization pass. So let me set this up really quickly. 2 seconds. So have you've run the game? I'm assuming, right?
Yes.
Is it weird for you right now? Like, is it like stretched weird?
Yes, if it's full screen.
Okay,
yeah, it stretches weird.
That's okay. I'll be fixing that today. So, oops, we're zoomed in and I'm on the wrong level, but that's okay. So, there's a thing that was changed in Dante's 9. I'm looking for biddy camera somewhere in this tree so I can zoom the fuck out. So, if I have my FPS uncapped, so unlimited, my FPS likes to sit around 200. So you can see right here, we're sitting at around 200. And I'm going to turn on optimization really quickly. I'm gonna press the magic optimize the game button. Boop. So I have now turned on optimized. Game doesn't look any different, right? It looks about the same. If and then if I take a look at the FPS, I'm getting about 340. Whenever I moved the window, it went down to 300, but about 350-ish FPS. So from about 200 to about 350. And the way that we do that is because we are now rendering the game at a lower resolution because someone liked to scale everything by 4, so we were rendering the game at really high quality, but now I can change this so it will render at lower and lower resolution. Obviously, we're not going to go this low, but this is really cool because I can have my UI be full 100% scaling, and then the actual game world
minus the like health bar and stuff like that.
Yeah. Well, that will be included though. Yes, that's getting there. So a couple of things that I'm going to be doing is I want to, before the playtest goes through, I want to fix a couple of options. Also, hello, Respec. I want to make it so that whenever you're in windowed mode, it saves the position of the window and the size. So there are some people who really like to move their window around to specific parts, and whenever they're in windowed mode and they close and reopen the game, it goes into full screen mode or into full window mode. I'm looking at you, JW.
Yeah.
So I want to do that, And I also want to make it so that the window actually accurately reflects the game. So if I were to go in here really quickly, I'll show you the issue that JW was seeing on his side. So if I take the game and I stretch this down, you'll see that the game is now squat, very squat. And we don't want that. Ideally, this would keep in mind like what the actual size. Excuse me again. What the actual size of the game will be. So, those are the two main things on my docket. I think I had something else.
Yeah. One small thing that I don't
yeah.
is in the list of, if it's in the list of things to do that's in the settings menu, is some of the newer buttons that we've added did not get added to the controller mapping list or whatever. So you couldn't click on them on controller.
Yeah, we should do a controller pass of just everything.
Yeah.
Before we release the update. Okay.
I will be working on the tutorial and just some smaller miscellaneous things like sounds and
if
stuff.
you want, do you know what size the window becomes whenever you move it over?
When I move it over where?
Like whenever you put the window in the fun spot that you have on your screen.
I have no clue. It's like big. Actually, you know what? I can check. Hold up, actually.
But don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. There's an easy way to do it.
Yeah.
There's literally an easy way to do it. Okay. Yeah, okay, man. Yeah. Check it. Go on. Check it. Come on, dude. I'm waiting.
How do I?
I'm waiting. I don't know. That's a good question. How do you? You're gonna like break it if you do anything, so don't even worry about it.
Yeah, why is it not letting me edit it?
Just don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Don't worry about
I
it.
got it.
Close that. Close it. Close it.
Where do
Close
I
it. Spit it out.
edit
Close
from?
it. The pencil icon on the fucking thing?
That's
where
what
you
I was clicking on, and it wasn't letting me edit.
You on the one on the screen, like in the rectangle. So click that. And the pencil icon
this
that's
one
on your
here,
screen right now.
yeah. There we go.
Oh my lord.
It is 2052 by 1108.
Okay. If you want the game to not stretch weirdly, if you want to go into your, you can close that now. 2052 1108. If you go to the level, and then subgroup 3, yeah, you got it. Okay, so I want to fix that automatically because that shouldn't be a thing that people have to do because that's not something they
just
can
have
do.
like a value that they fill in and it fills it out.
Yeah, they just like they have a slider and it's like adjust it yourself, fix it yourself, bitch.
It's just X and Y sliders.
Yeah. So how do we want to do that? Because I have a couple of things. So for example, let's say that someone had a monitor that was like 1280 by 720 at a maximum. If I just set the size to that, whenever I run the game, the camera will be very zoomed out, I think, or zoomed in, one of the two. It's very zoomed in, which is a problem because we don't want that. However, I can offset that by setting this to 2/3, I think. Yeah, which zooms it back out to the correct size. The problem is the UI. The UI doesn't matter. I can move it. So let's take care of, actually, let me take care of the UI first, and then we'll take care of the viewport scaling. So if I go, also this optimization
like
for anyone.
This doesn't make as big of a difference when it's larger for some reason.
What?
Like obviously I'm moving it around, so set this to 1. It's like 120.
Is your frame rate capped by chance?
Shouldn't be. No, it's not.
Okay.
It could also be because I'm streaming, but then if I do 2, I mean it goes up a little bit. It's like 140-ish.
That's still pretty good. Set it to like 4 or 5.
Yeah.
See what that does. I'm sure it will. Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. That's weird.
It's probably because you're streaming, yeah, but it should make a notable
Yeah, it
difference.
should, which is weird.
But for my laptop, for anyone who's curious, my
Just-
shitty little laptop runs the game normally at like 30 FPS. And with the world's smallest amount of the optimization on it, it shoots up to 90 FPS.
Yeah,
Which is
so that's
really
very good.
It also may be that you're not GPU limited, but you probably are. What's probably happening is OBS and the game are taking up as much of your GPU as possible, but OBS has like a minimum amount that it like can't go below.
Yeah, it's possible.
So whenever you turn on the optimization pass, the game now uses as much more of the GPU as it can, which ends up
Yeah.
being not much.
It still looks
Or
like
if
it's
there's any- if it
stuttering,
uses
and
less,
I think that's
then-
just because I'm streaming. It likes to do that.
Probably.
Like
Also,
it looks
hello,
like it's
hello,
stuttering, but the FPS is like
So
over 100 this entire time. So.
time to.
Oh well.
Wait, what is
That's fine.
What is this document I have open? Is this important? No. Okay. Those all. So
Here,
I'm
actually,
gonna
let
go
me
ahead and I'm gonna.
that it runs okay if I limit the FPS.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna move everything out of the player's UI and move it into
Mm-hmm. Okay.
something else. I don't 100% know what all I want to do with that because this connects to owner. I know what I could do actually. Actually, this tutorial UI can be killed because we're not using that anymore. The hand does matter. However, this can be anywhere, right? I don't even think this needs to be on the
Yeah, I
player.
don't think it does.
This does, kind of. This needs to know about the player. This actually is an exported variable, which I hate. As per the always, or because of the way that this is.
Yeah.
I'll
Oh,
actually
and
change
for the
that now.
tutorial level, should I just copy the canvas layer on the level? I think it uses the same script. Yeah.
Did you push your tutorial stuff up or no?
No, I have not yet.
Okay.
I mean,
Let me
I
think for a moment.
Yeah, because I don't know how you want to do that.
I know how I want to do that. I just don't know what I want you to do right now.
Okay.
Because I'm able to fix it without you doing anything. But I don't have access to your changes right
Then
now.
I'm
so I
just not
can't.
gonna worry about it right now.
Yeah,
'cause
just don't.
it
If you can
should
just go
still
ahead
run
without
fine.
touching it, and just don't touch
Okay.
it.
Yeah, because it should run fine.
Yeah,
I
because I'm
just
gonna
won't have
I'm gonna
that
add the
optimization.
I'm gonna add the layer like not manually the way I did to the level. I'm just gonna have the layer be populated
Oh.
by the level.
Actually, this doesn't work, so I am just going to copy it over for right now.
Oh wait, what?
'Cause
Oh,
it
it's because
needs-
the
it needs a
variable.
room
No,
parent.
it's because that you can assign it to itself.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, I thought I'd assign that by default, but I guess not. What am I working on today? We did a little optimization thing. I did a little optimization thing.
Oh,
That-
also, there's no world environment, so it's ugly.
Okay. I'll
There.
just fucking copy it over, whatever. I did a little optimization yesterday that ended up boosting the FPS a lot on my laptop and also lower in systems. So I'm just going through and cleaning up some of the artifacts that came about as a result of that.
Oops,
So do
it's
any of
wide.
these need to be part of the player? Hand doesn't at all. Health bar doesn't now. Because I don't think this actually uses... Yeah, this only cares about owner in one place, right? It's just here. Enemy indicators doesn't need anything. Okay, I think that's fine. It's like what I could do... The two places I could do this is I could either grab this node and just reparent it to the UI manager, or I could just move it, like, now. Like, I could either have it reparent at runtime or reparent it now. Also need to turn on shared chat. I think I forgot to.
Oh, rip.
Oopsies. Let's try reparenting it now and see what happens. So, UI manager. You aren't a scene, are you? You aren't. That's a little unfortunate.
Why Is there an error? Pathfind, yeah, whatever, it still runs, I don't care.
Okay, I'm gonna make a new scene called player UI. That is going to be completely separate from the player. And this is where all of our nodes are going to go, and that is now scene root. This is that. That's going to be annoying though, isn't it? Let me think for a moment. Because I could do... Yeah, I guess I could do that. I could toss this like so. So we go view, and then inside of UI manager, we can have set player UI. This feels a little bit gross.
Low average, good
but...
enjoy.
UI nodes, UI or... I think that's fine. I guess it can just be a node, right? Or call this UI parent. Then I can have this reparent to the UI manager. And then I can have this, which just says player UI control. If player UI player UI.q3. And then do player
Nope.
player UI is equal to UI parent. I think. Except this won't be a control. I just realized this will be just a node for now. Let's see. And then I can give this a script. Let's try this. So on ready, I will say health is equal to utility component owner health component as health component. And then we'll say health dot died dot connect on player death. And I don't believe this signal actually passes anything out. I think this is just, yeah, cool. So I can say queue free. And then we can do if not owner dot is node ready. I can say await owner dot ready. And then down here, I can say UI manager dot set player UI self. So what I think that will do, hopefully, I guess we'll find out, is down here I can kill this. And I can drop in the player UI scene. And then whenever I run the game, we'll find out if this crashes, but it should just like reparent to one of the, not root node, but one of the nodes that exists outside of the player. Hopefully. Okay, we crashed. That's fine. Why? Actually. Oh, because this cares about owner. Yeah. Fuck. That's fine. I don't need this to be owner. It's the player UI. Who cares? Player dot player.
Why Dante does kind of go hard though.
Why Dante? Why Dante?
Why Dante?
Why Dante? Why? Yeah. Okay, hopefully this works. Nope. All right, cool. That's fine. Because of you. Oh yeah, duh, I'm stupid. I completely forgot that I didn't want this to be owner based. I'm okay with this being player based. And same thing with you. Can also be player based. Player based. What? Does the player not exist? What? If the player doesn't exist, then where the fuck are you? Oh. I know what's going on here, actually. Shit. Okay, well, scratch that idea for now. I will fix that later. You are no longer a scene, you will just be here. And instead of doing player.ready, you will be using owner. Sorry. Nothing I can do about it. Well, there's things I can do about it. I'm not going to. Not right now. Yeah, so the problem there is the player registers themselves as owner in their ready function. Or they register themselves as player, the static variable, but these guys have their ready functions all run before the player's ready. So I can't do that. Otherwise they get very upset. Okay, cool. So we didn't crash. Does this work? So if I were to go into the level and turn on the stretch factor up to 4. Yeah, the UI looks fine. Set this to 16. UI looks fine. And it still responds to the player because nothing is hooked up that way. If the player takes damage via player options and I lower the health, that updates correctly. If I spawn in an enemy, they might actually be full resolution. They're not. They're still not even full resolution. That's so fucking funny. Even whenever I'm spawning an enemy, they show up as these little fucking pixelated dickheads. Look at them.
Where?
Yeah, and then the player takes damage. Okay, cool. So that works. I think I know what's going on with the sub viewport thing, by the way. There's this audio thing down here that I can turn on.
Okay. Is that it? Is that the only thing you need to do to test it? Because I can test it on my end and see if that
Try it. Find out. I don't know though. I don't know what the audio normally sounds like volume wise.
Yeah, that's why I can test it. Just because then I can tell. The main thing is it just didn't make any sound at all if it was wide like this.
Oh.
Yeah, now it's still broken.
Oh, I think I know what it is. So
yeah,
so the player is the camera and the player are the audio listener, right? Where the camera is.
Mm-hmm.
But because we're playing it through the audio manager, the sounds are being placed outside of the sub viewport and played outside of the sub viewport. So actually, I
see.
think if you can you pull out the laser pointer and try that? Because I think that one would actually be maybe correct, or at least somewhat not terrible. You can use that for an effect, like a debuff by a boss or something. Oh god, the boss debuff that puts you in forced retro mode. Surprise, bitch.
Laser pointer. I can't hear it still.
You can't hear it at all.
Nope, not at all.
Okay.
Let me try the soul dispenser. Yeah, no, I don't hear the looping sound.
Some SNES games do it. Yeah, they do. Like, I know SMW, one of the level exits, does this thing where it like mosaics away and then comes back, and that's fun. Like, I think one of the secret exits does that. Ooh.
Yeah, it's
What did you
silver, something silver there.
crash? Yeah.
But yeah, I think that
probably
is probably
somewhat
what that
figure
is.
that out.
Okay.
Definitely something.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what is... I wonder what would be a good solution for that. We don't have like a sound listener on the player, do we?
No, I don't think so.
Audio, no. T. Audio, no. Okay, that's fine. We currently have an audio stream player on the player. Cameras by default are an audio stream listener. I know that. I believe that at least. I don't know if I know that. Fairly certain they are though. Let's find out.
Yes, I know where.
Audio. Okay, well, there's nothing about that in here, so like maybe not. However, the audio manager, because these exist in a different space. They're not in the same viewport anymore. Couple of ways that I can do this, which is maybe a little gross, but is probably fine. We really don't have any audio stream listeners at all. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, that's what it's called. Pretty sure.
Yeah, okay. Audio listener. Oops, yeah, that makes more sense. Audio listener. Now, yeah, we don't
I
have
didn't
any.
want to open Audacity.
Why are you opening Audacity?
I didn't want to. Ow, that was a flashbang. Biddy. Look at the little guy. He got animations now.
Whoa. Got little animations. He's squishy as fuck.
Yeah.
Audio manager. So I need this guy to have a our audio listener. Like so. And then
Why is his hitbox so big?
does that work, I wonder? Guess I'll find out.
thought I set the viewports stretched
Can you
out
only
more.
have one audio listener enabled at a time? Audio. I guess what is this? Viewport will process 2D audio streams. Okay. Oh shit! I just spilled my drink on me a little bit.
Nice.
Cool. They gave me a lid, but not a bib, because apparently I fucking need that.
Mm-hmm.
What is wrong with this? Why are we upset? Wasn't able to play room boss. Yeah, dude. I get it. You were able to place anything else? What the fuck? You placed a shop? Holy shit, you did. Oh shit, you're upset. Why? Oh, I see. The rain does not work in the shop because there is no navigation region.
And just add a navigation region.
What?
Then just add a navigation region. Hey, I didn't make the shop.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah, I probably did.
Yeah, I think
The
you did.
joke.
Okay, I am noticing a new sound that is working this time.
That
Which
is
is the menu sound.
the
Didn't hear
menu
that
sound.
before. I
Which
didn't even notice it
menu
because whenever you
sound?
open up the menu, the button makes like a sound. But
Yeah.
it stopped doing that after
Look at these
sub
squishy little
viewership was added.
guys.
Whoa, dude, these squishy as fuck.
I might
can
add
hear
some
the
like
op.
random variation to. Yes, because any sound that is not spatial, you can hear. The op sound is definitely not spatial, because I made it.
Can you hear the op sound currently? Use the op sound right now. Like, do you have the audio turned on, like the 2D thing that I had you enable on the sub viewport?
No,
the sub
I don't
viewport.
have it enabled.
Go to the sub viewport. You turned it off?
Yes. And I can
You
hear
promise?
it perfectly
Can you
fine.
check?
Yes, I promise.
Can you check, please? Like, I trust you, but like I don't, you know. Okay. So what's a non? Is that a non?
Yes, the bees
Spatial.
are spatial because they're the audio loop players.
Okay, I see.
A good test is the soul dispenser.
Hmm.
So like here I can hear it, but it's very, very quiet. Same with the chest.
I don't know how loud it's supposed to be is the problem. I guess I could just load into this room by default and see if it's the same volume.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I've been doing. If you load into the main room, you can tell the difference with like the chest. If you open the chest with and without it on. Okay, so what do we need in terms of cards? So spray bottle works. I don't think there's anything we need to change with that.
Might be the same volume. I actually can't tell. I need to get a fucking waveform like analyzer out soon, just to fucking tell.
I can tell you that there is a difference. There is 100% difference with the audio.
Okay, that's quite a bit quieter. For
Yes.
that one. Well, I'm testing out a fix for it. You fucker.
Okay.
I know that there is a difference by default. Yes, I understand that.
Okay, come in.
I'm testing out a fix for it. Let's see. Does audio listener 2 do you have anything extra? Not really. I guess I could do a check for hold up prints. Listener dot is current. True. Okay. That's unfortunate. Wait, is the start sound also spatial?
The start sound? What start
dispenser.
sound?
Soul
No,
dispenser.
I don't.
Start sound.
I'm not sure.
Because it sounds quite a bit quieter.
I have no clue. I'm not gonna try to answer that.
Okay. You didn't make the card. It's okay. Let's see. Soul projector. Ability. View. There. An audio loop player. What happens whenever you get deployed? You have a function called play to play sound. Play, deploy. It is spatial. So I wonder why. if I were to go here and enable the 2D audio and have the fix that I have, does this make it work fine? Still like quite a bit quieter. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. For the docs for audio listener, only one audio listener 2D can be current. If there's no, okay, this is per viewport though, right? Right? Like, could I have one as part of the viewport on the player?
With the strawman
also
friends.
counts
They're
as
like
current?
dummy enemies for the tutorial. So it'll teach you how to like beat a room. But you don't actually have to fight the actual enemies.
Oh, okay, this won't be running. This should be printing out true. Okay, cool. Sick. Oh, shit. Okay, so this can be per viewport then. That's sick. So the soul dispenser noise and the pop sound are very different volumes currently. Let me load directly into this room and see if that's still the case.
Oh, also, Biddy, another issue, or not an issue. Yeah.
What's up?
Another thing that exists is that the UI sound that you added, if I am on controller, it plays both the controller UI sounds and the mouse UI sounds.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about that too much right now, but the main, I think, I like how like the cards like pop up on the controller. I think it should act the same on the mouse. Like if you have it focused on the mouse, it pops it up as well.
Okay.
And that just makes it easier. I'd rather everything like consistently act the same on both controller and mouse. I don't like it being different.
Okay.
You generate small sounds in some service. Can you link this, please? I have no clue what you're asking. Where are we even playing the sounds based on the controller? Is what I'm wondering.
Okay, that's still fucked up.
Where you got your sounds from? Yeah, I can send where I get them from. If that's what you're looking for. No, I'm not AI generating my sounds. Gar.
I guess one thing that we could do. I'm fairly certain that this would work. I don't know.
Yeah, I thought it's AI generated. No, I don't use any kind of AI generation.
Are you sure? Wait, I thought you said that like a couple of the sprites were AI generated.
No, they're not. Shut up. You're not funny.
You were like, I really like. You were like, I really, really like AI generation.
No, I don't. Why is Biddy dreaming so much about squeaks? I don't know, man.
Because that's Pookie. What do you fucking mean? That's Pookie, dog. I don't even watch Squeaks outside of like small bursts. He's like Northern Lion, but like I can watch Northern Lion for like a few hours. But for like Squeaks, it's like he's very like burst coded, you know? He's got bursts of funny, and Northern Lion's like a consistent funny. I know what I could potentially do. Yeah, let's try it. If channel.get parent. Ah, shit, no, I can't just straight up do that because that would...
It's over.
That would have the issue of whenever the level gets queue-freed. The audio streams would as well, which is like really obnoxious. Okay, well, how about this? How about instead of... Okay, well, here's a quick fix for this. I could just make a new audio player every time you want to play sound. And I don't know if that's like a terrible idea. I think like part of me says like, fuck it at this point, just do this and see if it works. So we're gonna do that and see if it works. Oh, hi Callie. Hello. The creature. Hi. You want to sit down? Sit down. Sit down. Thank you.
I don't even know you're playing the other sound, to be honest.
What?
On the controller selection sound on the menu. Oh, maybe you're playing that on the...
It's something that's handled like somewhere very different because it's not like a per button thing.
Yeah.
The controller was like it was like the implementation specifically for controller at first.
Well, I added the scale at least, so.
Yay.
I do kind of like the sound it makes though, on the controller selection. So,
Or we make
like
the PC play both.
knock sound. Huh?
Make the PC play both. Like on mouse.
The
Play both.
PC. Well, yeah, I
PC
was going to try to have it play that sound for both of them. Because I like it,
yeah.
but I can't figure out where it's playing that sound because I want to remove it from where it's playing that sound and just add it to the hover
Yeah,
sound,
it's playing
so
it somewhere completely 100% separate from that.
Yeah,
let me think about
it. No, I'll find it. Trust.
Oh, you'll find it? Okay.
Give me like
you got
5
this,
minutes and I will find it.
Surely. He has no fucking clue where he needs to look for this one. Let's see. So for all of these get next, we're overriding the bus that they're on, right? Assuming. Yes. Okay, cool. Oh, Meowj, I'm gonna make you so fucking sad, actually. I'm gonna make you tragically sad. You said you only like the YouTube squeaks, Sag. Not even that. I only like the TikTok squeaks.
Squeech.
Squeech.
This guy watches.
I only like the TikTok squeaks.
I bet this guy
Sorry,
only
man.
watches Northern Lion if he is in a TikTok with like a demon filter.
Nope. That's not me.
Biddy, I removed the sounds. There's no more sounds.
Okay. No sounds at
It's
all.
only the one sound. No, it's only the one sound on both keyboard and mouse.
Okay. Congrats, man.
I know, it's pretty cool.
Happy for you.
Oh, also, I don't know the best way to deal with this. But another weird thing is if, say, I hover this one with my mouse and then start using the controller, it stays, like, tilted like that.
Yeah, I've got to do some shit.
Yeah,
with
I
some
don't know if
shit.
there's some way to, like, reset the,
Yeah,
like,
I'm gonna
just set the mouse position
I'll be
to,
right
like, -1,000,000 or something, but...
Okay, we're back. Sorry, I had the deaf and you were speaking and I needed to test sound. I think I got the thing fixed.
Yeah, so now
And
there
instead
aren't...
of telling you to shut up, I
Yeah.
was gonna shut myself up.
Yeah, no, that's fair. You both are valid.
Shut up.
Okay.
Shut the fuck up. I hate you, you motherfucker. Let's see. So, I've changed something. Sorry, I guess. The audio stream player manager thing right now, I think we're gonna do is just, it just spawns in an audio stream player or audio stream player 2D where it needs to be at, instead of having a pool of them like we were doing.
What?
What do you mean, what? What's the confusion?
I'm confused.
Yes, I know. Which part?
I don't
do you want to,
know.
narrow it down for me?
Can you just say what you said again?
Okay, so the audio manager that we're currently using
Yeah.
creates like 30 non-spatial and 30 spatial audio players. So whenever you do audio manager.play sound, it grabs the next available one of those.
Yeah.
So far, so good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so instead of doing that, I'm going to have them simply create a new one whenever a sound needs to be played.
Okay. How does that fix the issue?
Because the problem is that the audio stream here, I'll show you actually. I'll show you how that fixes the issue. So can you look at my screen?
Mm-hmm, I'm looking.
So imagine that this timer is the audio player that we had before. So we only have one audio player that gets played.
Mm-hmm.
So this lives under root audio manager, and this is like the player. And so this is on one viewport. That's what this thing is. It's a window, which is a viewport. And then inside of the level, under canvas layer, subviewport container, subviewport, we have the room and the player and whatever audio gets played in here. The problem is that this subviewport is kind of like, you can think of subviewports as like another world of things.
Yeah.
So whenever something gets played, instead of it being positioned in this world that has the subviewport, it plays it instead based on this subviewport.
Yeah.
And I don't know a good way to move those audio players into here. So instead, whenever something inside of the level requests an audio player, it just creates a new audio player and puts it in the level.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
So that whenever something needs to be, which I actually need to have them freed whenever it's done playing, but
Yeah, I think
that way-
what I was confused on is I thought you were just adding them back to where they were before, which like, how does that fix that? But that makes sense. Yeah.
that would fix nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is exactly why I was confused.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just putting them in the level because they need to be down there.
Any impact sounds, footsteps, concrete 3. Okay, beautiful. The Kenny impact sounds are kind of nice though for like random UI sounds.
Sometimes, yeah. Some of them are pretty good.
Some of them are like terrible.
Some of them are absolutely
this one
terrible. That's okay.
better.
What was that icon? I've never heard of that. What are you? Ah, okay. I figured as much. I saw an icon for something I've never ever seen in Godot, which is called Signal Graph Node, and I was like, what the fuck is that? And I clicked on it. It's from a plugin. So that's pretty cool. I want to play more Dwarf Fortress and Hytale and Rivals 2 Workshop. Yeah.
You gotta eat your vegetables first.
That's not fair. I worked today.
Alright. Me too.
No, you didn't. You didn't go to work today. Fuck.
How do you know that?
Evil lying bastard man. I said evil lying bastard man. You did not go to work today.
How do you know that?
Because you were up playing Hytale at like fucking 10 in the morning. Like you were already on playing Hytale. And I'm pretty sure you would get off of work at 10 in the morning, which means that you would have had to get home in like a minute and start playing Hytale. And I don't think that's possible.
Yeah, that's fair, I guess.
Alright, does this, by chance, queue free audio players? I hope it does. So, like, if I swing, does this creates audio players and they die. Cool. And the same thing for, like, I think Salmon Storm is probably the one that I want to test the most, because I know that this one creates a bunch of audio players and does gross shit all over the place.
Are we using the UI sound effects bus like anywhere? Oh wait, no, I searched for the wrong thing. Okay, no, we're
Oh, well,
not.
yeah,
Okay.
no. So these should free themselves. The Gibbs free themselves after a while, right? Oh yeah, there we go. Cool.
Yeah.
And at the end of all that, we have the exact same scene tree we started with. Sick. And if you want to take a listen, actually, I'm going to pause my music if you want to make sure that this is up to your standards. Let me know when you're...
Yeah. I'm all listening. Yep, that sounds perfect. Yep, that sounds right.
Okay, and I'm going to spawn a dummy. I see that. I see you doing that. Don't think
What
I
did
don't.
you do down there?
I see it doing that. Don't worry about it. I know what's going on. It's very funny.
It's an alphabetical order. It's an alphabetical order.
I don't know what I'm looking for.
You're looking for
I don't know why I'm in
bees.
here. No, I'm not.
No, you're not looking for bees. I don't know why I thought you were looking for bees. But you were testing the
Wanted
bees
remote
earlier,
detonator.
so like...
Yeah, but they're
I
not.
see.
It's fine.
That's a DPS dummy.
Watch. Oh, this is the D. Yep. Oopsies.
Ooh. Yeah, it sounds fine.
That's in my right, or that's in my left ear for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
That's definitely my right ear. Yeah. Cool.
Fair.
Here. So yeah, for anyone, I'm gonna turn my music back on so I want to mute my stream. All right. Yeah, I still remember that time that you were like driving. When we were at like, I want to say it was like Hitfall or some shit, maybe Supernova, one of the two. And I told you, you got to take a left up here. And this motherfucker took his hands off the steering wheel and did the fucking L thing to figure out which one was left.
No, I did not. Bro is making stuff up.
But it's like believable, right?
Yeah,
That's, like,
I
believable
was
as fuck.
thinking. I was like, when did I do that? I like.
Dude, he was literally sitting there. He was like, "Wow, I really did that." And then he was like, "Wait a minute, no."
I think I have done that in like other contexts, so.
I swear, if you guys have never done it, lying to your friends is so fucking fun.
It's really funny.
Like, just about the most innocuous things ever. It's just so fun. And you can make it less innocent if you immediately, like, admit that it was a lie, like, after you say it. That's the fun part. I need to add the environment.
I need a nice, like, click sound for this. Like, I don't care that cards don't click. It needs, like, a nice, like, click sound. When you hover over a button,
like,
it's like...
restarting the game, you can just change the sound and... Okay, I fell.
Well, time to annoy people with UDC sounds.
Uh-oh, he's going into his OneDrive.
Click.
Watch out.
Actually, it's not in my OneDrive twin.
Oh shit, you moved it out of OneDrive?
Yeah, it's in my
That's
giant
unfortunate.
2 terabyte hard drive.
Is this your 1 terabyte of sounds that you downloaded?
Yeah.
You should have put that on OneDrive because it would have been really funny to waste storage of Microsoft.
That's actually a good idea now that you've... Oh, that's really loud.
It's not, because you'd have to download the fucking audio every time you want to play them. What was I doing? Oh my god, I wanted to add the environment to the thing. Oh, wait. No. Well,
Hey, this one's clean. I just need to edit it in Audacity real quick. Coffee grinder knob turn clicked 3 times. My goat. Thank you,
Yeah,
coffee
start
grinder
to
turn
use-
clicked 3 times. Yeah, that's beautiful.
can I get the current environment from the scene? Like, is there a get environment? There's OS render data? What do you do? Get environment. Returns the RID of the environment object in the rendering server being used to render this viewport. That's annoying potentially. Whatever. I've got a bug to fix regardless. The cards, I can scroll my cards while I'm paused, and I shouldn't be able to do that. And the problem with that is the player UI, or I guess it would be under player. These need to be set to pausable or
Pause.
yeah, there you go. Yeah, okay, buddy. All right, man. Yeah, for sure, dude. Still can't believe you gave yourself cat ears in Hightail. Like immediately.
Yeah, because they look cool.
Yeah, okay, buddy. All right, man. Back it up, gang. You're going home. You're getting sent back to that camp. They didn't fix it the first time. Okay, so that works.
I was trying to meow along to
Okay,
the
I can't
song,
pick-
but it was too high pitched.
Yeah. Okay, cool. That looks like that works. So now the player UI works. The player UI no longer gets scaled by that. The main problem is if I take the window and scrunch it down, now you'll see that the UI moves out, but the actual viewport doesn't. So I need to figure out how we want to fix that. Couple of ways I can do that. I actually can't click on the taskbar right now. Something is in the way. Something's in the way. What is it? Is it somehow... Oh, somehow Godot related? What?
What?
What is Arrival? Oh, is it because I have my frame rate unlimited? Hold up. It might be that. I might be like killing my computer. Let's fix that. Yeah, it is. My graphics card was like, stop, mercy, please. All right. So I can do what PSCN. I can grab this thing. I need both of these to be useful, I guess. I'll just call this like world layer or something. We'll toss that there. So this needs to have access to the sub viewport, which is going to be sub viewport, and it needs access to the container, which is a sub viewport container. Pop and pop.
Also, by the way, Biddy, the sound does not actually update in real time, so.
It doesn't?
Nope.
Weird. You must have done it wrong.
Yeah.
Weird. So if I were to go...
There we go, that's kind of nice. Here, let me pause my music and you can listen to the beautiful
here.
clicky sounds this makes.
Oh, okay. Alright, clicky sound time. Have you paused music?
Yes.
Holy shit, dude. It's like, just fucking... I just killed a bokoblin. Or I killed a skeleton in New Super Mario Bros. U or some shit. New soup.
New soup.
New
I
soup.
just need to figure out how to make a
Go to
sound.
Mario. So if I get the window and then I do resize, well, actually, can I have this read in the window size? Yeah, probably. However, I think there's a better place for that, which is video settings. However, oh no, you're an auto load. I remember. Yeah. That's actually so fine. Signal window resized, which will emit a rectangle that tells me where the window is. Say like window updated. So do you have a ready function? You do. And then I want you to reload the video settings. I want you to say get window. What are we doing with this? Display server, window set vsync mode. Is there a display server like window resized signal? Or is that not a thing that we have? Resize? Window start resize? No. Okay, that's fine. Get window dot resized. No? Size changed? There it is.
Now, how the heck do I make a sound for when you click on it? Where are we handling that? Is that in here?
What? How do you make a sound for what?
When you click on it.
Oh,
this itself.
You want that to be like an everything sound, or you want that to be
Ideally, that would
this?
be nice if there was an option for that, but like I'm not seeing that.
There's not currently.
Yeah, like I know there isn't currently, but there's no like on.
Yeah, I didn't make a function called just like open or like click or whatever. It would be inside of the function in the card, like the class that extends that, like the card guy.
Yeah, well, I was saying it would be nice to have it in this if that's possible. I don't know.
Yeah, it will be potentially. I want to do a bit of a UI rework by the time the game, like whenever we get some time.
Okay.
If that's a thing, which it might not be.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's...
Is there a signal for whenever a window gets moved by chance?
Probably. I don't know.
Let's see. Not to pop up was requested. GPI change drop focus. There's not even like a size. There is size changed. I guess that's part of viewport, perhaps. It is, yeah.
What sounds do we use for the forge? Because these are really nice. I really like these. Like, why don't I just want to use
I
these
don't
everywhere? I'll look and figure that out and try to put them in everywhere because I like those.
Yeah. I need to
That's
make a
gonna
note
be
of going back through
glitch.
and making
Yeah.
things easier to change.
Yeah,
Because
just
a lot of the time I'm just adding something and I'm like, I need to make this work, and I toss in a sound and it works. But
yeah.
let's
Forge
see,
UI. I'm probably not gonna be able to figure this out. Description card. You.
Is it for whenever you hover over it, or is it for whenever you click
Whenever you
on it?
hover over it.
That is in the Forge UI.
Yeah, that's
Or
what I'm
it's under
looking
the
at.
one of the containers that holds onto it,
One of the
I believe.
containers.
Like not the Forge itself. I think it might be card inventory.
Card
Handles the hover
inventory.
code. Because it needs to keep track of which card is.
Book flip 3. Is that seriously the sound? There's no way that's the sound. Is book flip 3? No way Kenny made a good sound for once.
You literally were just praising this motherfucker for great sounds.
Well, no, not in it. His Kenny impact sounds are great. Kenny RPG sounds are
I see.
awful.
What is get visible rect? Is
What
this
is this? Book flip. What is it? Book flip 3? Oh wait, that is peak. What the heck? Thank you, Kenny. My goat. We will change those now. No longer will we use UI click 3. We will use book flip 3. It will be beautiful.
okay? So this does.
Oh, I forgot. I
That
replay
does
the music.
do that. That does change on size, but I can't change it whenever I move my. Whenever
That's
the window
really
moves.
loud though. So, where am I playing this from? Yeah, I'm playing at 0.5 there, so we'll play it at 0.5 here. Actually, you know what? I'm putting a hover sound volume export that will only be used if necessary. Because I would much rather have an option to change it than hard code it to fit one sound and then have to change it again later.
What are you talking about?
The hover sound, the book flip 3, is kind of loud for the UI, so it needs to be quieter. But I'm not going to just hard code the volume into the focus element. I'm just going to add export for this volume. And I'd just default it to 1, so that way. If it's not necessary, it doesn't matter, but if we want to change it, we can.
Yeah. Oh, actually, you know, I might be making a mistake. Can you do a Control F for where? Actually, you're gonna look for it anyways, just wherever the sound's being played.
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay, sick. I did put it on the right bus. Cool.
I think in the Forge it's the other one. I did also change it. This is literally the only place we're using the UI bus, so I reduced the reverb a little bit because it was kind of loud.
Yeah. Why is this not?
We cannot convert argument 3 from a rate to float hover sound volume. Hello.
Just restart the game. Yeah, something happened. Don't worry about it. It's just
something did happen.
Yeah, Godot was holding onto a cache of the script or something, and then you saved it. It was like, okay, time to keep running this code, and then didn't.
Now I should be able to
completely invalidate everything.
Hello? Why is it 0? Hello?
Try 1.0. Also you can hit the arrow to. Why is it? Just reload the project. I think it's because they're tool scripts, so like the script wasn't actually reloaded.
Oh yeah.
So like the variable isn't present.
Sorry.
All right, man. Okay. All right. Yeah, for sure.
I just realized they didn't have dog ears in Hytale.
So they do or don't?
They don't. I don't think.
That's funny.
They had a frog hat. Did you see the frog beanie?
No,
You
I
used
hit
the
random
wrong
until I
key.
found a character that I thought was funny.
That's
enough to
so
use.
lame. You are like evil.
That's so lame. Instead of making my fucking hightail Sona that is like, never mind.
Bro has never heard
Never
of
mind.
creativity.
Honestly, I think that if I'm able to look at a randomly generated selection until I find something that I like, that may actually be a little bit more creative than trying to tweak something to be the exact same display of myself that I have in Minecraft and Hytale.
That's not
You're
at
out
all
here.
what
You're
I
out here
did.
trying to make yourself. You're out here trying to make yourself look like a little twink femboy cat boy. I'm over here hitting random until I find something I vibe with. And honestly, like, I don't know, man. I think mine is like a little bit superior.
Like, tell me this isn't peak. Why is
Tell
it
you this isn't peak.
peak? Why is it not hello window drag?
Hold up, let me find my hightail that my hightail made.
There we go. Look at
Real
this.
quick.
Look at this. It's not beautiful.
Let me
Chat.
launch hightail real quick, and I'll show you what it gave me.
Look, like he even got like a little bunny shirt that you can see underneath there. It's
Wow,
beautiful.
look at him. Look at him, dude. He's got like an SS jacket on. What the hell?
It's a
got some
black
fucking-
jacket.
He's got like a fucking SS jacket. This motherfucker's meeting up with Jimmy and hanging out. What the fuck? That's crazy.
Is that Larry? No, that's not Larry.
Wife Catboy is a
What is that?
crazy emote.
Do I have
Very
any-
cool, Meowj.
do I have
Very
any
cool.
emotes?
Do we have a function whenever the game is being killed? It's like in level, right? We have like a exit
You
tree.
never said
Yeah.
your hightail.
Yeah, because I'm opening up the game because I don't have a screenshot of it because I was like, okay, I'm happy with life.
Are there any free cat emojis?
There's Gardevoir. You can use Gardevoir if you want. It's not a cat, but
That's not what I asked
Hold
for.
hold up. Wait, let me get a second to look this shit. This is what the game randomly generated me, and I was like, this is what we're rocking with because this is.
It's so ugly.
See, this is what I'm talking about, dude. This is what I'm
That's
talking about.
Completely devoid of creativity.
No, I make this work.
That's
I rock
so
this shit, dude.
bad. You don't make that work. That might be the most abysmal combination I've seen in my entire life.
That's what the game randomly generated with me, and I was like, dude, I fuck with this. Fuck it, man. I guess we're rocking it.
You might be.
Oh.
You might be evil. Like genuinely.
Might be evil. Sorry.
Like somebody in chat just like say that looks good with 100% honesty. 'Cause, like, it's not gonna
Meow just
happen.
had nice shoes.
That's different. There we go. Now these clicky sounds
That's
are good better.
I don't know if this should be called here. I guess I could load this actually. Let's see. If our window rect is. Can someone kill it, please? Dude, I can't wait till Dante's 9 is over and we like stop being friends forever. That'll be really fun, I
What?
think. What? What do you mean?
I haven't learned how to program yet.
Fuck. He's like, no, dude, you can't go. Please, no. Does this fully save the file? Oh, it totally does. Whatever, who cares? Me, but like, whatever. Last window size. It's going to be window rect, which actually I should just save this off as a variable. I don't know why I'm not. This is like stupid. Oi. Bad. Bad cat.
No, it's not me.
Still don't believe.
Sorry, I'm just
Bad
meowing
dog.
along to the jazz.
Have you ever... You've been in a McDonald's like late at night, right? I'm assuming. Have you ever heard like the shitty jazz that they play inside of McDonald's?
No, I have no clue what you're talking
It's-
about.
Oh, it's so funny. At least I think it's very funny.
Yeah, you would think that's funny.
Okay, dude. All right, man. Whatever, I guess. No, it's like, it's very, I don't know, it's just like shitty jazz-ish. It's like jazz adjacent. And we had a theory that the reason that they played it was to like keep people from being able to sleep inside of the McDonald's because of how bad it was. Because it was just like, it was obviously not real jazz. It was just like,
It's
weird.
not
I don't know.
jazz.
all right, buddy. That's it.
What?
Into the kennel you go. Update window size. Actually, will this happen?
Why
before
is the
game
little
closes?
dancing guy emoji that you just posted perfectly in time with my music? That's scaring me. There's two
Invalid
of them
assignment.
now.
Property size with value of type vector 2i. Oh, you're right. This is a vector 2i, right? Yeah, and you are what? A vector 2i as well? Sick. Guess what, dickhead? You're a rect 2i now.
Perfect, yeah, it is perfect.
Does this exit tree at the right time? Please, 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 please. All I ask is that you print something out. You printed nothing out. Is it because console doesn't exist at that point? Mayhaps? No. Okay, you just don't get called at all. I'm actually like kind of surprised about that. I thought that you would.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Wait, what? Is there a like a signal I can get off the tree that's like killed, dead, no more game? Any cool signals I can like hook into here? Actually,
No clue.
node added, node removed, node renamed, scene changed, rechanged, main process changed. Really? There's not like a hey guys, we're like killing everything now signal at all? Nothing?
Nope.
Okay, that's a little annoying. Do run code win gain closes.
Why do you need to run code when game closes?
Because I want to save the players last, hold on. Okay. No, I just wanted to save the last window size, like, thing, so that whenever the game closes, if they're in windowed mode, I can save where the location of the window is so that people who have specialized zones that they put their window into, or any player ever, can have like the same consistent
There we
window
go. We now
across
have
playtime.
menu UI sounds, and it sounds nice.
Whoa.
At least on the main menu. Which is the main thing I cared about.
Oh, interesting. So that looks like that leaked that because I... I think that's fine. I think I can do something with this. I can do level manager. You're gonna be holding on to so many hats, man. I'll be honest. Game closed is now a signal. Funk, you're not overriding notification yet, are you? No, sick. If what equals notification WM close request. Get tree. Got up. Otherwise, right before then, I would like to do game close.emit. So the inside of here, inside of my inside of video settings. Game closed. Okay, I think that should work, and then I can do a print for like before close. Right? And then this should work so that whenever I close the game, the world is happy and not upset with everything. Yay! Okay. So now I can here, and I can grab or actually I can check my config file because I think that should have saved it. Yay, it does save it. That's a very gross looking thing, but whatever. Who cares?
Axel. We're working on it, twin. Trust. Biddy, help.
What? What are you trying to do? What?
I don't know.
Why did this go from
making
nothing
noises.
was wrong to Biddy help? Oh, okay. This is your latest stem. Your latest stem is Biddy help.
Biddy help. Biddy please.
Bid plea.
Play sound. Which random sound function should I use today?
If GW was Slenderman, it would be his 7 audio functions and not his 7 pages. I think that's pretty cool.
Wait, there are actually 7 functions in the audio manager.
There's quite a few more, I think.
Well, I meant that like play sounds.
Yeah, I'm fairly certain. I meant there's more. Like,
There's
really
not. Audio manager. Play random sound, random pitch. play random sound, random pitch, spatial. Play sound, random pitch, play sound, random pitch, spatial. Play sound, spatial. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C.
Okay. Well, we need one more function then.
Yeah.
You know, I think instead of this like generic function that takes in like different audio streams and like parameters, what if we made a new function for every type of sound we wanted to play? So like play menu knob sound and it just like does that.
Wait, that might be fire.
Yeah, I think that might be the play.
I'm changing how we do the sounds here, by the way. Let's see if it
No,
works.
dude, no way.
Okay. Right. Wait, what sound is this again? It was concrete something. Footsteps, concrete 4, probably. That's what it was. Book flip 3. What crazy names.
What does this save as? Full screen is false. Okay, terrific. Full screen mode is 2? What the fuck is 2? Maximized? What? Oh, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, so if we are not maximized, then I want you to...
Oh, that did something
return.
funny.
Otherwise, I want you to Windows. Oh, if rect. Alright, if not rect. And now it's a window dot size is equal to rect size and window dot position is equal to rect dot position. I think this will work now. Essentially. Hopefully this stays maximized. It looks like it does. So if I were to grab this, just here and then close the game. Does that put it into the
There you
correct spot? Let's find out.
Okay, Biddy, all UIs where there's actually, let me check the this guy real quick to see if he works.
This is pretty funny. This is not what I wanted it to do, actually.
Okay, so yeah.
mm,
I just need to change the sounds there, and then we should be good. But
Take a look at this one. This one's fun.
oh, I want to see. Twin. Wait, I want to see.
Do you like my
Oh,
my
wonderful.
window?
Yeah.
That's like exactly what I asked of it, actually.
Yeah. Yeah. It's good.
That's fair. It did do it the correct way. It did exactly what I asked of it and nothing more. So set full screen mode. You can pass this in, which is great. But I actually need the
How do I know
window
that this thing is
mode.
called card option? How did I know that?
I don't know, man. I need this to be either actually windowed or not windowed. How does Godot tell that it should be maximized or not? Like, there has to be like a simple function inside of window that just lets me like set this to maximized or not based on like the size of it, right? Surely maximize disabled. That's great. That's not even remotely
Oh,
close to
also,
what
hi,
I
Master
wanted.
Liberty. We weren't paying attention.
That's their Master Liberty. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Dr. Cloud for a noodle covered in hands. Game is done already? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's done.
This is true. Something does of what you asked of it. Yeah, this is true. Yeah. Well, no. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do I? How do I just fucking?
Yeah. Yeah. Meow.
Alright, okay, cool. Yep,
Yeah.
yeah, you know, you can just, like, keep doing it, I guess, yeah. Fuck it, man. Why not? Here. Yeah. Yeah.
Now. Oh, I didn't set the export. Hold up. Stop.
Sorry, there was no maximize size on that, right? Like, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna take a look. Like, there's not, like, a maximize... Is maximize allowed? Just tells me whether or not the button is enabled. Yeah, cool. Sick. Exactly what I wanted. Is there anything about size in here that would tell me, like, what... No. Oh, cool. Welcome back. Size. Content scale size, max size, min size, size. Okay. Content minimum size, size with decoration includes just the title bar, I think. And border, I guess. So it would be like 1 pixel on the left, 1 pixel on the right, 1 on the bottom, and then the title bar size, which is not what we want. Themes, sure. Reset size, start resize, great. And it would maybe be like tied to the screen. Like, I guess I could grab the current screen. Sorry, what was that? There was something about title bar changed. Minimum, AG, Mac OS, whenever they exit. Oh, okay. So, great. Screen? Current screen, great. Terrific, yeah. I want to know, where does this take me? If I click on this, is it just going to open up the Wikipedia page for... Oh no, okay, sick, what the fuck? It's a very useful page. It just takes me to a page on the docs about viewport. When's the Hytale stream? GW, when are we streaming Hytale?
In 5 minutes.
At 8:11, specifically?
Yep.
Okay. There you go, boys. 8:11, it looks like.
Oh, I'm gonna be asleep by then. Okay, we'll do it now. Right now.
No.
How dare you stream a tale that is
No.
high?
What if I made this windowed instead? Like, what would that do? Let's find out. Fuck it. Also, why the fuck would you ever lie to us about that, Moaz? That's kind of mean. To lie to your so-called friends. Yeah. No, I believe that you're going to be asleep at a reasonable time, for sure. I believe that so much. 100%, yeah. Evil liar. I know you ain't sleeping for another 4 hours. Don't lie to me.
Yeah, you're gonna go play Dota.
Yeah, you're gonna play Dota.
Don't play Dota. Gonna go play Boga.
You know what you could do? You know what you can do, mamas? How about this? Make yourself useful and go mod a character into Rivals 2 workshop right now. Go on. Learn Lua. Please, for the love of
Use
God,
Lua.
learn Lua. Because, yeah.
That's crazy.
A lot of games use Lua, yeah. Maybe we should put Lua in Dante's 9 for modding.
Perchance.
Okay, so this is only on load, so I think this is fine as fuck. Probably. Because I think I could see something like if window.size or get size of decorations. Oh, hold on. Window size. Get decorations. So what I want to do is I want to say if window size.x is, well, hold on. I want to make sure that this is like most of the screen, I guess. And if it's most of the screen, then it should go to maximize. Otherwise, don't do that. Right? Like, window dot current screen. Size server dot screen get size. Yeah. Screen size is that. Is this in a vector 2 or a vector 2i? It's a vector 2i. Sick. Yay. This is also a vector 2i. Yay. Both of these are going to be vector 2s. Because I need floats. Sorry.
Oh, that feels so much better. I adjusted the animation on the cards, so that way picking a card, once you pick a card, the animation's a lot faster and it resumes a lot faster. Because for some reason there was like a half a second, somewhere around there, delay after you picked the card before it unpaused the game, and it just felt so bad. Like you'd pause it and then it'd go down, and then you just sit there for a second and be like, why am I just sitting here? Like, you didn't really notice it too much, but, like, changing it really, you can really feel the difference. It feels much nicer.
Really makes you feel like that.
Yeah. Yeah. And we now have... Oh, also,
What the
I noticed another thing that's missing is when you scroll with your scroll wheel, it doesn't play the card pick sound.
Oh, do we want that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just need to figure out where that is and add that.
It is
Scroll.
base card selector, I think. Yep, base card selector. Actually, sorry. Let me actually see if that changes. If that emits only whenever new cards are selected, because it might be something that you can do in the hand if that's the case.
Okay.
Does it do it whenever you have a controller or no?
What?
Whenever you have a controller,
like when
if you're using
click
controller?
left and right. Let me
I'm
look.
assuming the answer is no.
I
I'd be
have
very
no
surprised
clue.
if.
Nah, it doesn't.
Oh, you know what? You're gonna lose your fucking mind when you find out that this should, but I guess it just doesn't.
I cannot select with the right stick anymore. It just doesn't work.
Are you holding down the button?
Holding down left trigger. Oh, there we go. Now it's working. I think it might have been because of
Oh.
my mouse. I think it was something with my mouse. I think it thought my mouse was moving slightly.
Oh, wait, what the fuck? Okay, actually, don't worry about that. It was supposed to do that. I was testing something, and I forgot that I was testing something, and it stopped
And you turned
working.
it off and...
Nope. It just stopped working.
Just stopped
It worked at
working.
some point.
Okay.
Actually, it's working on my
In
side.
such cases.
It's literally working for me right now.
That's crazy.
I think it's one of the viewport issues. I think it's.
Oh,
it got
yeah,
broken by
it
that.
could be spatial sound for some reason.
It's not spatial, but yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's because it's being played through the viewport.
Okay.
Like it's something that's in the world that's not being played through the audio manager.
Yeah.
Because it uses polyphonic sound. Because I was messing around with that.
Yeah. And we can probably just remove the testing indicators off of these guys for right now.
Yeah, we definitely can if you want to do that. I mean, it's
do that, yeah.
Yeah, you can just kill the fucking node off of them. It's easy enough.
I'm actually surprised at how easy it was to add all the sounds, by the way. So, yeah, if you look here, there's something weird. See, it looks like these are working, but there's something weird here where it does this. It doesn't. Scroll.
Oh, it's not scrolling down.
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know. It's weird.
Interesting.
And did you re-add the environment to the starting menu?
I
do you
did,
want me
yeah.
to do that? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so at this point, I think I might just focus on polishing up the stuff that we have currently and leave out the tutorial for right now. Because I think most people that are going to be playing the playtest already know how to play the game. Especially since I'm not planning to send the playtest to any like streamers or anything currently.
Okay.
I mean, if there are any, it would be people that like I know personally. By the way, we still did get like a 20 wish lists today, which is still very good. I should be making some more posts, but...
Why didn't I do it? I told you to do it. What the fuck? Oh, I have this flipped around the wrong way. Oopsies. Is that coming through on my stream, or is that something that just happened on my OBS for funsies?
What happened?
Because my OBS just flashed white like 8 times in a row.
No, I didn't see it. That's just OBS.
Not on my Discord stream, on my OBS.
Yeah.
Like on my...
OBS just likes to do that though sometimes. Like
yeah,
I
I
don't
don't
know.
know. Okay.
And all that.
Sick. This...
Could also be that my OBS is just cursed. It's so weird, my when you short on YouTube, it just keeps getting views. Like it's not like a ton, but it just keeps going up. I think it's probably my most viewed short on YouTube at this point. Because the salmon one did well as well, but it didn't do quite as well as on the other TikTok and Instagram.
I don't understand. The window mode should be set to windowed, and the size should be set to size, right? Am I like not? Am I going insane on this one? Or wait, no. You set do you set window size through this, or do you do like display server dot window set size? I think it's that. Fuck me, that's annoying. Yeah, so we can just do like window dot size, I guess, and then do like window set position. Window dot.
Ouch, what are
Sure.
those? Those emotes.
Who?
Ouch.
Are they? What? What is that? Yeah, we got some weird people in our chat, man. Oh my god.
Many such cases.
We have some weird people in our chat. I don't get it. I don't know where they're coming from. I don't know why they're here. I mean, like, welcome to the chat, but like, what the hell, you know? Your knuckles are on cooldown. You can crack them again now.
What?
Your knuckles are on cooldown. You can crack them again.
I like don't crack my knuckles together.
Hell.
Yeah. No.
Be worse. Be worse if a person crack your knuckles. Make everyone else uncomfortable. Have you seen the video of Swagger Souls asking everyone at his, like, they had like a panel or whatever, he asked everyone to crack their knuckles at the same time and it was disgusting.
Nope.
Okay. Alright, I'll send you that video later.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem, dog. I got you. You're welcome. Why is this... Do I also need to do like display server dot window set type set mode? I guess I do. Window dot mode. Oh, sorry. It's display server dot window mode windowed. You're right. You got me. I don't understand why the window isn't updating.
The
I'm
update
setting
isn't
this
out by 11:59. I'm killing Shinya like how he kills me. You're saying that like that's a loss?
Okay, so we are not putting the update out for that. What is git frame? Returns how many physics process steps have been processed since the application started? What the fuck? I didn't know that was a thing.
Fire. We should have a gun that deals us damage based on how many frames have passed.
We should have a gun that deals damage based on how low your frame rate is.
That's kind of a good idea.
That way, people who are like on terrible computers are like, dude, I can actually like play this game. It's like a buff
really
to be
funny.
terrible. Moaz would be like, holy shit, I'm so good at this game. What the fuck?
We have like so many scripts in this project. Like literally just that I've opened since the last time I cleared this. There's just like so many things.
Yeah.
It's kind of
That's
crazy.
what happens when like, yeah, life goes insane. Why is this not updating?
Yeah,
Right,
it gets to a point where it just like stops being scary because you just don't register how many things there are in the project. It's just like I only care about the thing I'm
Like, oh yeah,
working
that's
on at
Dante's 9, I
once.
guess.
Yeah.
Must be. Yeah. Kind of cool. Wait, am I stupid? I am stupid. I'm so dumb. I've been calling this the wrong thing the entire time. Right. Oh, I am. Yeah, this is supposed to be window size. Or window rect.size and window rect.position. I think. Potentially. I guess we'll find out. Please, for the love of God. Please. If I move this and make it a small window, all I want this to do is reappear over to the bottom right of my screen as a small window. And I know it's not going to. It's not even on my screen anymore. I don't know where it is.
Fire.
Dante's 9 is currently nowhere. Oh! Oh! Do you see my Dante's 9, JW?
Oh.
Do you like my Dante's 9?
A long way.
I think I'll play a little bit of Dante's 9 the long way.
It's beautiful.
How was it running? Oh shit. 25 FPS. Don't mind if I do. Oh wow. That's so cool. I don't know why I did that. Oh, because I'm not setting this to anything. I see. Kinda. Oh shit, it saved my Dante's 9 the long way at least. That's kind of cool. I don't know if it meant to do that, but it did it. God, I want to play Dwarf Fortress so bad, actually. Fuck.
That's
Hightailer
crazy.
Dwarf Fortress, Hightailer Dwarf Fortress, man.
Obviously,
I hate that I
Hightail
have to ask myself that question, but like...
instead of the server GUI.
Oh! JW.
Will this work?
Look, whenever I run the game, it's in windowed down here now. And if I maximize it, it's a maximized window almost. Ignore that.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it not maximized? You should be maximized. You should have your thing set to maximized. What the fuck? Oh, because I'm... No, what? Oh, because it's not 0.95. It's like 0.92 or something. Whatever. There we go. So then now I think if I set this to be a vertical window, close it, and then reopen it, shouldn't maximize itself anymore. It should only be like that horizontal window in the center. Let's fucking go, dude.
That's nice.
Yeah. That'll actually end up helping you out a decent bit because of your
My weird
window
setup,
area thing. Yeah, your weird shit that you got going on. But also just like, I think that's like a good thing to have just because it is. Let's see. Okay. And now that that is good, I can get rid of any prints that are in here. Update window size. Also here, update window size. Size. And then you emit window updated, which will now be grabbed by the world layer. Video settings. Window updated. Connect on window updated. I think this should spit out whatever the fuck this is. Oh, cool. Oh, because I'm not in a level yet. There we go. So it's that position and that size. And if I were to resize, yay! Okay, cool. So now what I can do is I can say sub viewport dot size 2D override is equal to rect dot size. I think. Oh shit. Wait, JW.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting there. We're getting there. Almost.
Oh, nice.
Almost. I don't know why it's like very zoomed in, but I can now calculate something off of that, I think. We probably want to calculate that by width, right? Like, just sounds like a constant here, which is like default width, 1920. And then we will grab this and say something. Print correct dot size dot x divided by default width. Both of these need to be floats, perhaps. This should be 1. Yeah, okay, so this would be zoomed out. This would be I wonder how we want to do that. I guess I haven't really thought about that. Let me open up an old version of Dante Design, actually. I'm curious what Godot does by default. Oh, actually, I can just do it with the start menu. Oopsies. Start menu, me, please. So if I make the window thinner, it zooms out, and if I make the window shorter, it also zooms out. I'm actually not terribly sure how it does that.
Is it based on whichever one's smaller?
It's doing something like that. I'm just trying to think of like...
Yeah, it looks like it's based on whichever one's smaller. It shrinks in that direction.
It's like really weird because like... I wonder if we go details. I guess I have the docs page pulled up about multiple resolutions because I opened that up. So fuck it, let's read what this does. Stretch settings, stretch mode is... I care about viewport. Keep aspect ratio when stretching the screen, but keep neither the base width nor height. What the fuck are you saying to me? Keep aspect ratio when stretching the screen, but keep neither the base width nor height? Okay, I think I know what I can do. I guess first things first is I want this to do the cool zooming thing that does. So, what I can do is I can...
Everybody say hi to the dog. Woof woof.
Dog? There's a dog.
Dog is woofing.
I don't hear it. Is it like the sound that you're playing right now, or?
It was, my dog was...
Oh, your actual dog. Okay,
Yeah.
It didn't come through on your mic, oddly enough.
That's crazy, because that was really loud. Maybe it's because it was so loud that it didn't get picked up.
Sorry.
It's possible.
So I want to calculate watch. Our default aspect is going to be... Aspect ratio is width divided by height, right? Or something like that. Default size dot x divided by default size dot y. And then we can do like current aspect is rect dot size dot x divided by rect dot size dot y.
I won 5.
Here?
Wow, you won 5 points. I should add like a point shop for the avatars.
Where you can buy cases and get skins.
I'm not sure if you can do that. You might be able to actually.
Well, we know how to write things in GD script, and Godot has a integration plugin with OBS for Twitch or whatever.
Well, I guess that could maybe work, but it's like its own separate program. You know that, right? The little
Yeah,
guys.
I could just like read it in from it potentially. I don't know. Maybe they have.
I need a good equip sound.
What is the purpose of the points in that little program you use?
It has a thing set up where you can set up like a shop for like character
Oh, like that was
customization.
actually okay.
Yeah, so you can like
I see.
basically you gain points like by watching over time, but then you can also gain points by like playing little games. It's pretty fun if you like set it up, because you can also like battle other people and like gamble on it. You can use slots. It's fun.
I see. Okay, so what I want to do is if the... How the fuck does this work? Okay, so this window size is slightly wider versus like it's slightly shorter, I guess is the correct way to say it. Slightly shorter than what the actual window would be. So if I do this 1.88, so if it is larger than the aspect, I need to... What do I need to do? I guess I could get like console.print default or current aspect divided by default aspect. Correct. So this will be that. So to make up for the slightly wider, I would need to divide the current size by that. mayhaps, to keep it in line with 16.9. That doesn't sound right. That doesn't sound right at all. What am I saying? What am I speaking about?
No clue, twin.
No. I need to take the... Wait. Set this back to default size, just no matter what. You're back to squishy Dante. Sorry. So I would take, in this case, the width is much larger than the height. The width is... how many times larger than the height? 2.5? This sounds about right. So could I just take the height and multiply it by, like, this number, perhaps? Subpart is 2D override dot y times equals that. You're pissed about... Yeah, sure, dude. That's fine. I don't care. Kind of. Yeah, sure. Uh-oh, that's wrong. Okay, and that works until it gets to this point where this is... Yeah. Our ratio is that. So if ratio is greater than... Well, actually, let me make sure. We're not fucking the ratio. Up. What? Okay. Yeah, that looks mostly right. If I were to make this like a much smaller window.
That looks right, probably.
Okay, so these are about the same ratio. Yeah, that looks still right to me. Okay. Until I start doing this, at which point it zooms in a lot, which is wrong. I need this to go the other way. So if the ratio is less than 1, we do this divide by height. If ratio is less than 1, do this thing. Otherwise, I'm assuming you can just divide the x by that. Potentially. Hello chat. Hello Mestron. How you doing? Oh shit, that's not correct. Okay. Then maybe we multiply the y by the ratio somehow. Ooh, that's somehow even worse. Quite cool. That's wrong. We multiply the x by ratio. That'd be kind of funny if that works. That, like, kind of does, actually. That actually just does. Cool.
Cool.
Sick. Okay. Yeah, no, that looks right to me. And then that means I can go in here and set this to a 2 issue, and now this should just work regardless of the monitor size or the window size or anything. It just works. Like, that looks like terrible because we're at like such a low resolution and we're half resolutioning that. But I mean, like, that's Dante for sure. Yeah. Okay, cool. I think that works. I'm actually kind of surprised. I thought that I had to do more with that. But that seems like that's just correct.
Fire.
Like, does that just work for any resolution size? Obviously, this one. I mean, I could test it versus this. But... I mean, that looks right to me. Like, right enough. Oh, that's actually so funny. Wait. Oh, goodbye, UI. Oh. Oh, wait, no, wait. Sorry, what did you say? Oh, scrolling with the mouse doesn't make a sound, you mean?
Yeah.
Going over like this does?
That's what I said.
Because yours... Okay, I thought you meant it didn't make a sound at all.
No,
I
no.
see.
Scrolling doesn't.
Okay, yeah, the scrolling doesn't make a sound either. Oops. I'm a goober a little bit. Oh, that's funny. That's quite cool. But I don't want it to do that. What the hell?
What the? What happens if you go into a room? Oh,
It should fix itself, I think.
Yeah.
Like, even if I did like redeal cards, it does fix itself.
Yeah,
but...
yeah. No, because I've had the same issue before, where like if I change the screen size, it'll do weird stuff.
But like that works. I'm hella surprised that just works.
Great.
Like, this is Dante. It's 9. That's Dante's 9. Where's the fade? Where's the level fade right here?
Not there.
Oh. I can't leave. I'm trapped. Wait, I can't leave. Why can't I leave? What? No errors. Right here. What? Oh, there's an error. What is this error? Wasn't able to place room. Oh. Yeah, okay, so this actually ended up stopping the generation because I can't place the boss. I see. That's fine. I think that's important for us to know about.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That still isn't doing the thing, though. Oh, is the exit out here? What? Where's the exit? Something's wrong. Something is broken. I don't know what this is. This isn't supposed to be there. And this should be... Yeah, something's broken with this. But what's he loading into? Oh yeah, okay. These are actually just fucked up on my side for some reason. Thank fuck. I was terrified that those were fucked up just in general, but they're not. It's just a me thing. of which there are many such cases. Oh. I'm assuming my stream is still going, but Windows just gave me 2 notifications of OBS disconnected and immediately OBS reconnected.
Fire.
Slightly terrifying, but whatever, I guess. If it's still working, then I don't really care, but... Okay, cool. This should work. Okay, so what else do we need, JW, for the update? I guess I don't have an option to turn down the quality, but I haven't added that yet, but I should.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too hard to do, probably.
Do we, actually, what do we want it to be? Do we want it to be like a slider like this, where you can like turn it down from like whatever?
Nah, it should just be an option that's like low, medium, high. Or like a...
Like render scale or something?
Yeah, like render scale.
Okay. I can do that.
Apologies to anybody watching my stream, I'm doing sound design.
Apologies to anybody watching my stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a general statement, you
Mm-hmm.
know. Yes, sir. What are you connected to? And why are you on quality selected? I see. Why? Whatever, I don't care enough to fix it. Unity function called, like, I don't know, on render scale selected. Actually, check. Does this need to be a number?
Oh, I still need to make the mark card art as well.
I mean, you can just leave it as it is. I'm sure that there are people that wouldn't mind.
I could do that, but I'm not going to do that.
What? Why not?
Yeah, balancing on that way. Yeah.
Man.
This guy really wants to play Hightail right now. I can tell.
Hightail maybe. I want to do that. I have to install Java 25 on my fucking Steam Deck. Wait. No. Wait, no, I totally can. Hold on. I gotta walk through the different stages of grief that I just felt. I think I can... I think I can Ethernet my Steam Deck. I might not, but I might not need to. We'll have to see. Apparently you have an uneven screen somehow. I don't even know what that means, but...
I think that was before I resized it to fit, you know.
I don't know what's so funny about accidentally hitting the exit button and seeing it slowly disappears. I can do nothing about it. It's like, I know the game's gonna eventually close, and I literally just can't do anything. I get to sit here and stare at it the entire time.
Fire.
Yeah.
Okay, chat, what should the mark card actually be? Because that's like one of the main things I need to do before it'll be ready. Mark card.
Mark.
It basically just puts a little mark thing on the enemy with the highest health, and they take like extra damage. Did I make this thing work with like stickers at all?
Wait a minute. Sorry, I'm gonna do something stupid now. I'm gonna do something really dumb all of a sudden. What if I did that? That's pretty bad. What the fuck? That's weird. That's like really weird.
Is it?
Okay, JW, can you... This is fun, but weird. Okay, so this is Dante, right? We know Dante.
Yeah, I'm looking.
So if so I'm getting 200 frames a second. If I go into the sub viewport and I set the size to double my resolution, nothing much changes. But if I go into the player, zoom it in, this is like the same size. Oh, never mind. Actually, never mind. Forget what I was going to say. This looks... I understand what's going on. All right, just kidding. You can go back to doing what you were doing.
Cool.
Take it off Video Vision if you have it on Video Vision.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Video was being stupid. Video was doing stupid vision. I understand what I was doing wrong. Hee.
Many such cases, twin.
What? I'm just gonna... How about this? Instead of making it like numbers that actually make sense, I'm just going to say like... It's gonna just be like render quality, and it's gonna be like It will just be like a high, medium, low, like you
Yeah.
said. So I was gonna do like
Cilantro.
I was gonna do like a 1 and then or like a 100%, 75%, 50%. But then I'm like thinking about it, I'm like never.
Yeah,
they don't-
nobody's gonna care.
They don't deserve that fine grain control. Let's be real.
Yeah, this is true.
They don't deserve that shit. Nope. Too much thought. So let's fix that right up. High, medium, low.
Beautiful mark card. Who is peeing in my chat?
What?
No, someone just said pee.
Oh. Who is peeing in my chat is insane. Guys, can we stop peeing in the chat, please?
I already had to make a no peeing rule in the server, or rule.
Did you?
Yeah.
What? If you guys want Tempura Cat games, but without the no peeing rule, you can join the Bilitic Discord server. It's like the same thing. He hangs out
It's,
there
like,
anyways.
actually worse.
He hangs out there anyways, so who really
This
cares
is
to join
true,
his
though.
server? Okay, so when this gets selected, now I want to... Where is it?
You know what? I'm too lazy to make good art for this, so this is what you get for now, and then I'll make it look nice later.
Damn, he's lazy.
Yep.
Insane. Ah! Fuck. You know what I mean?
Go EB sleepy.
Real.
I'm drawing this on the wrong layer, aren't I? Any such cases.
I guess you don't need to know about that, right? I'll just do this, and then whoever else elsewhere can care about it, perhaps. Sure. Yeah, you can care about this.
actually doesn't look too bad.
Okay, maybe that works. I just want to do a few state, and I don't know if the code that I wrote makes like any sense whatsoever, but I guess we'll hope so.
Yeah, I guess we'll hope so.
Looks like the answer is no, probably not. Does it even get called? Oh, it does. Oh, this isn't being updated. I see. Do I have a debugger error that's relatable? No. Okay, that's just this thing that always happens, I guess. I don't know why this is a new thing that Git was upset about, but it is. Scale. Medium type was not sending explicit value. Sure. I'm so okay with that.
Also, Biddy, there's a weird thing where when you first start the game, it plays the focus sound. Or whatever, hover sound, whatever it's called.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna figure out why.
I know why it's doing it. I just don't know what the best way to do it, to stop it, is. It's because whenever we go into the level, I'm having it grab focus on the first buttons whenever you're in like controller mode. Or, so like whenever you're on controller, it can have access to that. I've actually been thinking about that one a little bit because I'm like, what do we want to do if someone's playing on like keyboard and mouse and then they just all of a sudden swap to controller? Like, how do we tell which thing we need to focus on. Because currently we always have to have something we're focused on. But I think the answer for that is maybe a little bit more complicated than I want it to be right now.
Yeah, I'll just leave that for now. It's not a big deal. Okay, what else am I missing? I have a list of things that I wanted somewhere in here. Because tutorial press kit, those we aren't bothering with now. Improve UI and button feedback, we did that. Spell stickers apply new cards properly. And the op is weird with the like accuracy thing, but I think that's fine. I'd scratch when card is equipped. Is that, do we do that yet?
Oh shit, okay, that works. GW, can you take a look? Low quality, fucked up crusty Dante, and then high quality non-crusty Dante, and then
Beautiful.
somewhat crusty Dante.
Yeah.
Just crusty enough Dante. Yay. Okay, I think that works. I think that's
And then at
fine.
some point we can figure out a fix for to make it automatically detect.
Yeah, maybe. Perhaps. I want to see what is the difference in performance like when I use this. So,
We have the new sticker selection animation thing. Forgot you
oh
added
yeah,
that.
it's a little.
It needs some work, but
It's yeah,
it
it's a little
works.
off and funky wonky. So unlimited frames, I'm getting
that
360.
makes it-
Oh, because I'm on render scale medium. I'm getting. Wow. Okay, yeah, I'm getting around 400 and something frames whenever I've got render scale set to medium, and if I change it to be high, it plummets to 220. Cool. I mean, that's fine. It's like what we want. I set this to full screen. I mean, like, it looks fine, I think. It's like a fine enough game. Honestly, maybe this should just be the default. Like, it should just render at half quality. This is like actually insane, the difference in like GPU usage right now. Let me turn this back up to full quality.
What?
Can you look at your chat, please?
What? What am I looking at? What am I reading?
E-Rob? Is there a different?
Who is
Is there a different
E-Rob?
E-Rob that isn't just Tyler One's brother? Or is that the same E-Rob? Like, there's no way that's the same E-Rob, right? Please? That's him? No, dude. He's cutting a log with a plastic knife. They really don't know. The true genius really has always existed in the world. We just, you know, have always taken it for granted, I think. Okay, hey JW, can you look at my screen, please?
Yes, I'm looking at your screen, twin.
His idle animation's really funny right now.
Why is his forehead just bouncing up and down?
Oh my god, that's so funny. His movements are so imperceptibly small except for his forehead. Was it the op that looked really cool in this one? Yeah. I think also the bullet shells also just look like sick with this.
Yeah, they do.
Just in general. They're all
There,
like...
yeah, that works well.
I'm gonna add another mode, which is just like hella low, just for funsies. Hella low is it's gonna be 8. Actually, I don't think that's gonna populate yet. I think I have to.
Okay, I fixed the thing where the scratch card would show up through the pierce sticker. I think what the issue was is I think it was technically hidden, but we were hiding it by setting the modulate to 0, which means I think whatever shader stuff you were doing was still like reading the texture, even though I don't know. So it looked like it was invisible, but the shader still saw it and would display it through the hole.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
It's a
What?
cool looking background.
Did you see what happened before that?
Yeah, it went flying across. I don't know what happened there. Gonna do it again? Oh. Kind of fire. That's a nice background, though.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool background. What the fuck is going on?
The size 2D override is negative 2 billion.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I can see that. Don't worry, I'm there.
That seems to be
I
an
see.
issue. Oh, so here, Biddy, I think my changes, actually here, yeah, I'm just gonna remove the equip sounds so far, because I don't have enough for all of them. I don't want to have, like, half of them done. It's gonna...
Wait, what?
I'm going to push up my changes, because I believe that I have everything. Let me just run through real quick to make sure I'm good. He's 8 hours into cutting the log. And he's only made it past the
Greatest
bar.
minds of our generation.
52 plastic knives. I mean, you gotta get there eventually. I guess.
Okay, it didn't go flying. Cool. That's all that I needed to see. Oh. It hasn't actually applied the render scale, though, I'm noticing. Is it because I'm not calling on settings updated whenever the game starts? I think so. Or I guess whenever the level loads. Oh shit. I didn't expect to be in this level. What the fuck? Why am I back here? What the fuck? Okay, let me set this bitch to like hella low render. Oh yeah. Look at that, dude.
Beautiful.
Yeah, maybe like a little bit higher than that. Like, what's a good middle ground for that? Like, 8 is too low.
Oh, bitty.
Still too low.
Your debug renders for the turrets are still there. How do I kill that?
Oh, just remove it. Just remove it. Go into the fucking like one of the turret scripts has a draw function. Just kill the draw function and an AQ redraw inside of it. I don't remember what file it is, but one of them has it.
Draw, here we go, die. Also, the menu cards were doing some weird stuff sometimes. When you clicked on them, they would like spin around really fast. I don't think I changed
Weird.
anything that made them do that, so I don't know what it is. But, you know, it's funny, so we'll keep it in.
I really like... I don't think that these normally look like this. Do these normally look like this? They don't.
Do what
Something
normally look
about
like what?
this... Do you see like this, how some of them like phase in and out of existence a few times? Like the particles?
Oh, yeah, that is weird.
That looks really fucking cool. I actually really like
Maybe a
that.
little bit.
It's because they're so small that they only render on some frames. Like you can see it more there. Or here. Or even here.
If I just hide the enemy attack indicator, does that work?
You have to delete it.
To delete it?
Yeah.
I can't just
Do you think
hide
Dante's
it?
not as playable like this? Hmm.
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh god. Oh god, this is like making me sick a little bit. Oh shit. Wait, this looks sick with the chromatic aberration, actually, whenever you take damage. That looks so cool.
Okay, well, maybe we should boost it up a little bit so you can see it in the normal too. That does look kind of sick. I forgot I even add that.
Wait, that looks so fucking cool, like on the door. Oh, there goes Dante. Wait, this looks so cool. What the fuck?
The platforms look
Like, it
so
doesn't look-
messed up.
Yeah. It doesn't look good, but oh, I love the dithering actually on the fucking see-through.
That is kind of sick.
I like that Dante's like got one eye now. he's like an evil pirate
Yeah.
or some shit. Can't even see the damage numbers. Can't even see shit. I guess that's something I should have actually also maybe thought about.
Oh, are those rendered in the world?
They
Those
are.
aren't
Yeah.
technically UI. So that might look weird on low.
It might.
Not really, since they're the pixel perfect sizing.
Yeah. Like that's low. Hella low is the one that's like
Yeah.
super like you shouldn't be actually playing on this. Honestly, I think that still might be too low. I might make it like 6 or something instead of 8.
Like 6 or 7.
Yeah, 6 or 7 or. Yeah, you can't see what they say, but like you can play the game still.
Yeah, you're right. Hiding them does not work, so we're just gonna kill you. Okay.
Yeah, those are also like hella placeholders, so you can just like kill them. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. One thing for you is to make sure that the speedrun timer is disabled by default. Because before, even if the setting was enabled, it would still show up. I'm at. Probably doesn't take very much work, as far as I know.
Maybe this is the way I play Dante's 9 now. Maybe this is like the dev intended way of playing the game.
Yeah.
Is playing it on render scale 6 or 1/6. Wait, how does the worm look?
Biddy,
His
look
shit
how
is
many
rendered in
cards
world, I
we
think,
have.
right?
These are all of the unique cards that we have in the game currently.
That's fucking sick, actually.
There's like so many.
Let me add back in the shop in the worm room.
You still haven't used the spray bottle, have you?
No. Well, I think I used it whenever I was testing it. But... Oh shit, dude, look at Nacho. It's Nacho.
Bro, everyone's tweaking out.
Let me set my render scale to like. He like even looks fine on medium. The fucking E's doing a weird, kind of cool pulsating thing. I'll be honest.
Oh, yeah, we should probably kill that. 'Cause
Nacho needs
that
to be
doesn't.
killed.
Yeah, we need to kill him.
Nacho should also just be killed.
Yeah.
Or you know what? We could actually have him, and whenever you press E on him, he pops up a little thing that just says like, "Sorry, dog, I'm actually not ready right now."
Nah,
Or
kill
some
him.
shit. Nah, kill him. Okay. Sorry, Nacho. Shop room test. Where you at, buddy? Nacho. Shopkeeper cat. Honk. No more Nacho.
Wait,
that?
what does the laser pointer look like? On like hella low.
That's half scale.
On like
Yeah, I'll
yeah.
I'll do it. I'll move my way down. I'll move my way down. So here's low. This is 4th scale.
That's pixel perfect. That looks kind of tough. Still use a little.
And then
more.
hella low. It's still too low. It's supposed to be 6 and it hasn't updated
Yeah,
because
it's
it's in a
supposed to be
cons.
like 6 or 7. You know. Whoa! Look at that. Looks tough.
Kind of cool. What about Yarn Ball?
Yeah. Oh, that looks kind of
Ooh.
a little weird. But
That like
kinda
that
cool.
nice like checkered pattern that shows up. Is
Yeah.
cool. This is how Dante's 9 was supposed to be played, by the way. This is like the Oh, he's blinking. He's tired. He got tired. He closed his eyes. Oh, he's awake again. Oh, he's tired again. Oh. You can make him blink if you move your mouse left and right. You know what I could probably do actually? Fatigue camera. What if I set this to 4? We're on 4 render. Or I guess this is on 6, right? Or 7. Oh wait, that actually takes care of so much of the wonkiness? What the fuck? JW, look.
What? What size is this?
This is 6th. This is 1/6.
Why does it just like work?
It's because
like that.
I changed the snapping to be every 6 pixels because before it was every like 2.
Yeah.
So it's like actually aligning with more of the. I mean, we can make it not like I can make it like 3, so it like, or I can make it like I don't know, like every half pixel. That way it's all like crunchy and whatever. Or I can make it back to the 2 that it was.
See?
Just like fun, but like not particularly.
Oh, it's so
an
nice to be
interesting
able to
one.
open up the menu and you can just hover over all the cards and they make like cool noises.
What
it's
card's
just
missing
makes
up
me
there?
happy. What?
What's the card that's missing? It starts with an A or a B. It's box. No, it's not
Oh,
box.
it's box.
It starts with an A or a B.
Yeah, it's probably
Op?
box.
Op?
Yeah,
it's
I
op.
forgot to add op. But look at all these cards. There's so many. It's so cool.
Yeah. Can you look at the turret, dude? Look at the turret. Look at that.
Oh, that's kind of sick.
I don't know, man. Maybe this is the art style that Dante's 9 was supposed to be in the entire time.
Maybe my next game will be pixel perfect.
My god, dude, look at the bees. Look at the bees. What about brick? Yeah, I just need to make sure that whenever it's on like high, it doesn't. I don't want it to still snap like this. Ugh. This snapping hurts me a lot. Yeah. I actually need to.
Oh, there we go. That's so much thicker. I made it so that the mark, if enemy is already marked, so it picks whatever the enemy has the highest health, but if that enemy is already marked, it picks the next one. So if you if you say you had a mark with like 20 charges, you could mark like every enemy in the room.
I see, I see. Gross. It's like I'm gonna do double damage to everything.
Yeah, it was actually 1.5, but yeah. Because double is kind of OP.
What the hell? How did you do that? That was a weird sound. What the fuck? Yeah, regular, by the way.
Oh, also I re-added the particles to the salmon. Because for some reason I didn't have them. They got killed.
Whoa. What does this do? Does this work? Like, just well? So, is this default? I think this is default. That's just default render scale of high. Everything's all smooth. If I go to render scale of medium, it's still, like, genuinely still really good. If I set it to low, I don't know if it's doing anything now. It makes me worried. I don't think it's doing anything. Okay, it's doing nothing. Well, I changed the wrong thing, didn't I? I did. Okay. It is doing something. I just changed the wrong setting because I noticed the particles disappeared. Oopsies.
I'm seeing what happens if I add just like a 15 to 20 of every single relic.
I'm kind of in love with this Dante sprite where he's just kind of pulsating his forehead whenever he's on low.
It's kind of fire.
I don't know why he's doing that. Well, I do, but like it's... and if I set this to hella low...
Using the sword really fast looks really funny.
Or slicing and dicing, what the hell? What's the coolest effect we have in the game so far?
Coolest effect? What do you mean coolest
Like,
effect?
Like, what's the coolest in-world effect we have? I don't know what else to say. I wanna go fight the boss and see what he looks like on low render scale. Alright, prepare yourself. This boss arena looks insane whenever it's zoomed out.
Oh, Biddy.
What's up?
I have so many zoomies that it makes the animation speed so fast that you just don't see the animation of shooting.
That's funny.
It's just instant.
Look at this worm, by the way.
Oh, I see you fix box as well. That's good. That's good. I forgot that was broken. But
Yeah.
Trying to use the box reminded me that it was broken. Oh, I also have like 30 double jumps. I forgot.
What does Salmon Storm look like on low quality?
That does look kind of sick.
Fun. It's very fun. Let me set. You know what? I'm gonna make you pissed actually for a second. You're having too much happiness about this. I'm gonna set this bitch to fucking bilinear filtering. Sorry.
Oh dear, that's a lot of cards.
There we go. Everything's blurry now.
Did I just walk into a room and everything just instantly dies because they get zapped by the plasma ball and then just blow up 30 times? Oh, this game is so peak.
This game is so peak, dog. It's our game. We're working on it.
I forgot. I have 23 curse
Wait.
skulls, so I got hit by one thing and it knocked out half of my 20 health.
JW, can you do me a favor? Can you look at my screen?
Give me a second, I'm fighting the boss.
Okay.
Get him, bees. They got him. Yeah, what am I looking at?
So this is linear texture filtering on the
Uh-huh.
scaled texture. And then this is nearest.
Mm-hmm.
What? Which one?
The linear is actually kind of cool with the low resolution.
Yeah, let me actually check this against like a medium render. So this is nearest. Yeah, linear kills this. This just
Yeah,
kills it.
try the other one, whatever, low.
Oh, the other low.
Mm-hmm. You're
I
wrong
changed the wrong
one.
thing again.
That's so weird.
Oh, whenever he turns, it looks real weird. Oh god, I do.
What
I
did you
still
do?
absolutely. You see the
That's so
plant too,
funny.
right? Like directly to my right.
The plant, is that a Balacho reference?
I love the way that plant's moving, like above the statue on the
It's
right.
So weird, yeah.
It looks so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna just change that back to linear or to nearest. Like I love the way this thing fucking animates. It's so cool. But yeah, I changed it so now I'll actually show you the difference if you can take a look for a second.
Wait, why does this
I don't know
sword
if you're in the
cost
middle of
0?
What?
Why does this sword cost 0? Is it because... Oh, I guess it's all cards cost 10% less and I have 23 of those.
Yeah.
But why didn't it apply
It's
to any
true.
of the other ones? That's what I'm wondering. Like, none of these
It's applied
ones.
whenever you draw them again. If you hit redeal cards, mayhaps.
It does, and something's messed up with that.
If you
So if I turn off, let me just check to see. So this one says it should cost 70. Which it looked like it did.
Yeah, that did.
So something's messed up with this then.
I don't remember how I'm going up. I had to do some weird shit with it though.
Because it
I
what
think I have to
happened is
recalculate its mana cost.
it worked when I used the slot machine. If I use the slot machine, this guy costs 0.
Yeah. Interesting.
And this guy
Can
also
you
costs 0.
actually debug menu? Can you do scroll to restock cards? Is that a thing? Somewhere
restock
in there
cards? No.
No. Weird. Can you just hit redeal cards like a bunch of times, like 4 or 5 times? I don't know how many cards you have, but like.
Oh, that might have been too many.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, because there's a bunch of particles and shit that spawn.
Yeah.
Lol. Lol.
Oops, I'm on video vision too. There we go. We're back.
Okay, and then can you... Oh shit, dude, it is not happy with that one.
There we go.
Still have the high buff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take another look at top. Yeah, can you take a... So here's the... Here, I'll actually... Let me put this video quality. Okay, so on the low render scale, this is with the fixed camera. And then this is with the way the camera was before. So I don't know if you can see how shaky things are here.
Yeah, it's very shaky.
I'm just snapping it to the amount of pixels that we're scaling it down by,
Oh, that's really cool.
which actually like helps this a lot. Like even with this, like the hella low Well, why are you doing that? Don't be doing that. Don't do that to the floor. Stop that. Dante, bad. Bad Dante. Stop doing that. This should be set to 6, right? It is. Why are we not snapping to the 6 thing? Is it because Dante's not snapping to the 6th one? Let's find out. I thought that Dante Sprite did some sort of snapping, but I guess not. Weird. Oh, his animation's also really funny now. It looks like he's wagging his tail a little bit. It's kind of fun.
Kind of tough. Okay, I don't think there's anything else that I need to change here. That I can think
There almost
of.
certainly is.
There
but
almost
yeah.
certainly is, but like for right now, it's probably fine, you know?
Wait.
So let me push up my changes so then you can fix the card thing, or then... Or you can just not fix it, whatever you want to do.
I don't... Wait. Something's wrong here.
Mm-hmm.
This is on medium, but it looks like
Nope, that looks like
perfectly
medium.
fine.
No, it's 100% medium.
only
Look at the
thi-
particles. Look at the particles in the middle. And look at the plants. You can see it.
Look at the particles in the middle.
On
Particles
the
in the
teleporter.
middle,
The particles on the teleporter and the plants. That is 100% medium.
Yeah,
You
okay.
can very much see it.
Oh, I see. So those actually are like
Mhm.
hella smooth, but like in terms of like Dante, like
Yeah, it's not noticeable, but there is a difference.
yeah, like on Dante, this looks like as
Yeah.
fine as default, basically.
I'm pushing up my files.
I don't know, man. I feel like maybe this
luck.
should be the default render scale. Is this?
I mean, we can, yeah. Because
This like I mean like the difference in performance is like hella, like 400 frames versus
Yeah, if you want to keep it, like, I mean, we can just literally just have it at medium by default. If people want to turn it up, they can.
yeah. I think that's the play.
Okay.
I'll do that actually. Go settings. So I'm just gonna default this to 1 instead of 0. Oh yeah, did you see the salmon storm whenever it was on the hella low?
Yeah, it looks cool.
Oh god, his eyes are doing weird shit now.
Weird Dante.
Weird Dante. I'm having too much fun just playing around with this, honestly.
But there's people waiting for the update when
They can wait.
this is true.
They've waited a month. They can wait another couple hours. Oh, yeah, I haven't even looked at the items that get spawned or anything. Boy kisser.
It's pushed up, by the way.
Okay. Alright, then yeah, we'll probably hop off of here. I'll help out. We'll put together the update and then oh, sorry, I wanted to check something again. If I turn on snapping whenever I'm on this mode, does it look better or worse? It looks better and worse. Dante's doing some weird shit that I don't know exactly what the purpose is. I don't know, that's weird. Weird. Okay, whatever. Alright, yeah, I think we'll call it there for today, though. And we will finish putting together this build and then probably put it up on Steam for the playtest. Sound good? I think that's...
Sounds good to me, twin.
Alright, twin. Alright, well, thank you guys for hanging out. We will be putting up an update on the playtest, and we'll send out an update on the server whenever that goes live. Probably tonight. Most likely, almost certainly tonight.
We'll probably push it to update tonight. I'll probably be lazy and wait till tomorrow to write all the changes.
Yeah, and then we'll also
Hytale.
probably make a... Yeah, we're probably going to put a couple of, like, small tweaks to the update that we're going to put out anyways, so...
Yeah.